this format here. If you're really big into graphics, you can change the type of color space it uses, the RGB or CMYK. You want a bit of compressed or vector graphics. You got different types of compression. A lot of this stuff is if you don't know about it, just accept the defaults. One thing you do want to do is embed all document fonts. If you're going to do anything, you're going to send it to somebody, you want to do the embed all document fonts, because what you might pick as a control monument may show up as a $ on somebody else's computer.
Wow.
If they do not have ArcView, because
you're right,
they're pretty much their fonts, you know. So if you don't have that font, you want to embed that font.
We've had our puppy feet and
yeah, we've had all kinds of things.
Oh gosh, you name it.
Yep. And here on the advanced, you can actually export PDF layers only, or you can actually export attributes also. We just do the export PDF layers and some georeference information. I'll show you that in a second.
All right.
And I'm going to hit save. It's pretty quick. Down here you'll see some layers going by, and it's actually basically going through all the layers. You'll see a progress bar. When you see the export complete, you can go to where that is at, and I'm actually going to the scans folder, and there's that 0909001. It's about almost 2.5 megs. There's the file, really crisp PDF file.
Yep.
You know, you can zoom in here. Got areas,
wow.
You got points. I mean, it's almost like you're looking at the map screen.
It really is.
It's really crystal clear. You can actually, this is small enough to email still. I can change the resolution on it, get it even smaller. It'll still look fairly good. What you're not seeing on here is, I can click on here, on this layers view, and it's really, you can't really control this, but I just want to demonstrate that you can, I turned off this right here, and you can actually turn some of the information off on here. Here's a map with nothing on it. You may or may not use this functionality, but I'm just letting you know there is. ArcMap will export layers.
Right.
It doesn't export it just like the map, so it's kind of hard. Like I said, it's kind of hard to control, but just know that that functionality is there.
Yes.
And also the on the analysis. Let me see. I think it's the analysis toolbar. Yeah. Which is pretty cool here. If you click this this grid right here, you see that this map actually is on. It's got what it did is export the geo-referenced information with the map as in geographic coordinates. You can see them scrolling around the bottom of the screen there.
Right.
This map has a little more functionality, more use than maybe just a regular PDF map. I could actually pull a lat long on there just for maybe reference purposes.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe somebody's out there with a handheld. I can say, you know what, go to 27 point whatever and 97 point whatever, and key that in. That'll get you close to the project site. Pretty cool little tool.
Definitely.
You can uncheck that on the export, and you can send the map out without coordinates if you don't want to. I just wanted to show that capability.
Well, believe it or not, we're just barely scratching the surface of the capabilities of ArcView, but we hope that this last. We were considering calling this a bonus DVD, and mainly making it an overview, where even though going through the 5 steps, we've done our best to make it very basic. We've done our best in this to show you the most common commands that we've used in the last 10 to 12 years in using GIS to manage our business. And when you combine this DVD, which is almost an hour and a half, along with the 5 steps and the database, and then you have a CD with the links to a lot of different data sites, and the training that comes along with the ESRI software, I think you're going to be well on your way to having GIS as a tool to manage your business. And again, there'll be discussions in the future and all kinds of networking for those of us who are moving forward with GIS as surveyors and using it as a tool to manage our business. I thank you for your time and interest, and look forward to meeting you either on the internet or on the telephone as we continue to grow and learn and share with each other. GIS is a valuable tool.